Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today we're going to be taking a look at how you can change your username on TikTok. Now there is one stipulation to this, and that is you can only change your username once every 30 days. So once you change your username, you cannot change it for another month. So I've just created a TikTok account here, and obviously my username is just a generic one. And the way that I'm going to change mine will be the same way that you would change yours. It's just I'm changing it from a generic one to an actual username. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit Edit Profile, and then you're going to go to Username here. You'll click on it, and then you can change your username provided that it's not already been used. We'll go ahead and try this, but I would imagine it's already been used. So we'll go ahead and so since that username was already used, we will try and go for this one. Nope. Okay. We will try this then. Okay, so this username works, and it will have that green check mark on the far right when it is available. So we'll go ahead, and at the top of the screen, you'll hit Save. Set as username. Again, it's reminding you can change it every 30 days. So whatever your username is, you have to just go with it for the next 30 days. Then if you want to try and change it, it will tell you that you cannot change it there. So that is a quick tutorial on how you change your username for TikTok. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial on how you change your username for TikTok. Do you change your username often, or how many times have you actually had to change your username? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.